Hey guys, Wally and Murfitt here, and in today's episode we are working once again on my classic Mini. Okay, so before we get started, I just want to give a huge shout out to paintsforyou.com. I ordered the paint online through the website and it arrived next day. And they've colour matched it to my specific requirements, and hopefully it's going to work really well. So what I'm going to do today is I was hoping to put the top coat on. However, I'm a little bit not quite ready for it. So first job I'm going to do is tackle the wiper motor, because that's the other side, and we're going to come back to this paint at a later date. So the wiper motor is held on by 2 bolts. Or 2 screws here and just underneath. Now that holds on this little bracket here, if I can take it off nice and easily. Stuck. Okay, so that holds on this bracket here, which secures it to the body of the car. The next thing I want to do is take an 18mm spanner, is just loosen off this nut here. They want to hold on to the wiper motor to make sure it doesn't spin. Once it's loose, you can either do it finger tight. That's off. And now I want to get a socket to go over these 4 bolts to remove the cover. Next up, taking a 1/4 inch. I can't find the socket, so I'm going to use a spanner. It's a little bit longer than. The cover off. What are you doing? Pack it in. Okay, so how this works is a bit like a crank. You've got a pin on the top, or wherever it will be located, and as that rotates, it pushes your shaft, which is here, up and down, which there's a cable that works the wipers back and forth as well. So it's a bit seasoned at the moment, but I'm just going to leave it like that for now, and then take off these bits here as and when required. But what it means now is that I can now get access to these little corners, so I can clean up all inside here, ready to get that ready prepped for paint. So with it all now cleaned up, I can see a bit of surface rust there, so I'm going to get a wire wheel or a wire brush and just try and clean it up as best as possible before spraying my top coat. I'm also going to look to remove this plate so I can replace it with a newer one, or clean this up and replace the gasket underneath. And that's it for this video. That is how to remove your wiper motor. In the next video, I'm going to be working on the other side of the engine bay to remove the master cylinder and the brake cylinder. So stay tuned and come back then. If you are new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button, click the thumbs up button, and comment down below of anything you want to see going forward. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.